In this video, I'm going to give you a first short overview, a summary of what this whole course and our strategy of working with ChatGPT is all about. And there's basically no better way than just asking ChatGPT to come up and tell me what are the best possible use cases in our fields of digital marketing and digital entrepreneurship when teaching this in our course. And after I basically taught and educated ChatGPT what I and my business is all about. And so what ChatGPT basically came up with is this list, which is pretty accurate and makes a lot of sense to me. So obviously content generation, all forms of ideas, especially for ads, for creative stuff, for new headlines, new potential video or image ad ideas, everything where you have to be creative. It's really, really nice to just have this AI come up, brainstorm ideas. There are even things like the temperature setting, which make the ideas more creative and more outside the box kind of thinking. And you can generate every form of content with it. And this is not the final copywriting. This is just the raw concept of an ad, a page, a PR stunt, or anything else that you have to be creative in digital marketing. Like usually some creative agencies, they hired a bunch of creative people that basically have no skill. They're just creative with coming up with new ideas for ad campaigns. And you basically have now infinite ideas and inspiration right here at your fingertips, which is crazy. And what it says here is, here we have blog posts, we have social media content, articles. We are specialized in ads and landing pages and email marketing and all that, like sales, highly conversion rate optimized, digital marketing stuff. But for any sort of content and the copywriting of it, you can let it write the whole text for a page, for websites, for basically everything. Here it says product descriptions, marketing material, flyers, basically everything. For customer support, I have not used ChatGPT yet in some sort of Facebook chatbot or WhatsApp chatbot to handle the complete customer requests, which is kind of crazy when you think about to let the AI handle the whole request and the whole problem of the customer. And this is definitely something that we're going to have a look into as our main mission, to build fully automated businesses. And automating customer support is a huge, crucial thing that would make many more of our businesses way more scalable. Of course, public relations, writing press releases, managing media inquiries, creating thought leadership content on Twitter, on LinkedIn, any form of personal brand, CEO type content on social media, any type of content like this, very, very good use cases. Here it says even fundraising, which would basically mean campaigns, Kickstarter campaigns, crowdfunding campaigns, all sorts of communication in that field. We've had very, very good experience with using ChatGPT to improve and create our whole course material, from headlines to video descriptions to content descriptions, scripts. Like this course is also mainly developed with the help of ChatGPT when it comes to a lot of things in structuring and formatting, and basically all the stuff and all the work that goes into creating these full courses and these masterclasses, creating lesson plans, quizzes, interactive learning resources, personalized feedback for students, amazing marketing and communications, of course, email campaigns, social media, everything in that sense, investor relations, or even just answering emails, right? You can answer every email from your coworkers, from your colleagues by just letting ChatGPT come up with the right answers and then copy pasting it into your email. Product management, amazing. As I said, even pricing strategies, also logistics, forecasting, order management, everything. This is not just marketing, right? This is like holistically everything that is used in the business sense. Developing product descriptions, developing whole product ideas, branding, positioning strategies. Here it says user guides, onboarding material, which will then obviously also be fully written by, not just developed as a concept, but also fully written in terms of copywriting. And yeah, potentially even community management, like if you have a Facebook group, a WhatsApp group with events, different things to engage your existing customers, or you have a lead list, everything in terms of creating engaging content, communication to connect with your members of any community. And yeah, these are basically the topics that we're going to cover, starting out with all the basic concepts that you need to know when just working with ChatGPT in our case, and in the end, even showing very, very specific examples and cases where we use ChatGPT for coming up with Facebook ads, with Facebook texts, emails, headlines, full pages, full product descriptions, full websites, full strategies, full new business startup ideas, startup positioning, improvement ideas, and not just the raw output, but also in the process, a lot of things that are just way easier to do with ChatGPT. When it comes to formatting, giving you summaries, or explaining to you long texts which you don't have the time to read, you just copy paste it in there and you get all the information out, like a book summary, for example, and also just lots of more stuff when it comes to working within these given fields. So let's just start with the first fundamental concept in the next video.